sa inyong mga labi dahil ang buhay ay tulad ng isang bahay. It is like a rainbow. And we are also celebrating rainbow this June, right? Marami pa lang taga-rainbow sa likod. Sorry. Rainbow means full of hope. With EdgePoint, Habitat for Humanity, with our local government unit, the ICT, our Southville AB National High School have high hopes for so many collaborations that we will have in the future for our learners and our teachers. On behalf of 2,348 students, 79 dedicated teaching personnel, and 14 non-teaching staff at our school, I extend our deepest appreciation for the installation of the digital classroom. We are incredibly fortunate to be among the recipients of this transformative technology. Your generosity and commitment for improvement in our educational opportunities are appreciated. The digital classroom will undoubtedly help our teaching methods, enriching the learning experiences of our students and empowering our teachers. As the school head, I cannot express enough gratitude for this invaluable opportunity. We look forward to future collaborations and the continued support that you would extend to our school community towards the greater heights of excellence. Thank you once again for your unwavering support and belief in our school's mission. Mabuhay!